Hey, Rick St. John with Castle Rock Burgers. Today we're introducing our CRB Wow Spatula. This is a beautiful spatula made with 316 stainless steel, heavy duty. We have a cherrywood handle, nicely finished with brass rivets. Here we have our Castle Rock Burgers seasoning that we use on our burgers. And here we're demonstrating that in the video. Here we're going to be using the CRB Wow Spatula on a variety of different meats. Again, heavy duty stainless steel cherrywood handle. Really very easy, much easier to use than tongs. And so here we're going to flip a burger, and as you can see, we can put the burger exactly where we want it without slamming it down. Here we can use it on hot dogs. We can get 3 hot dogs at one time. Works perfectly on chicken breast that you see here. Again, once you flip it, you can put the meat item exactly where you want. Here's a pork chop, nice thick pork chops. And again, much easier than tongs. If you have dexterity issues, here's a ribeye steak. And here we're doing a New York strip. Look at that, beautiful. Again, Castle Rock Burgers, CRB Wow Spatula. Order yours today.